So this is a post-market review of day 19 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. October ki date 14 2022 ngarang nahan siya na market si video si record ako ngahongdre because of some work. I was unable to record my video for Friday. Now let's have a very quick review of Friday's trade. So Friday started with a very huge gap up. Shida bank nifty gapped up with around 270 points, and in bank nifty it gap up with almost around 600 points, I guess, from here till here, around 700 points gap up to sound lakraba matungda. Let's see how the market played out for this day. Market was hovering around for a while, so I hover tower later. My first trade was taken at this time around 12:40 p.m. 12:40 p.m. Chida, first trade chila away. The logic behind this trade is that this is the swing that it had formed in Nifty. She's fine later. She swing over form tower, pull back, and then this is another swing. Instead of coming down, this swing was taken out. So kumakpai muta, taken out tower. Taken out tower. I was waiting for its retest. Sigi important zone se hana resistance zone ne na mark tower. Banina hadi sida resistance or a man. Sida supply zone or supply zone or mota sida kai. This is the retest. My 20 EMA was coming here, so it has retested my 20 EMA plus this zone. So keeping my stop loss below this zone here, around this area, I entered my long entry here. But unfortunately, market is reversed out. My stop loss was hit here at this time. So this was my first trade. Here nothing wrong in this trade. See trade market just didn't play with my plan. Sigi aina khanbaduga chanana taraktabagini, so nothing wrong in this trade. My second trade was taken in Nifty again around this time at around 1:20 p.m. 1:20 p.m. sida aina amkamu short tower sida na makagi short tower bagi logic sina karino haiba matamda. Here market has fallen down below my this supply area. See supply zone sida si fall down tower. Fall down tower matungda, it was consolidating here for a while, so I should consolidate consolidate tower matungda. This was the candle. I thought it had broken away from this consolidation area. I was not waiting for the candle close. Candle say loiba ngai dabida sigi consolidation area sidagi si se kaithagre aina khangi matamda. Then aina next si candle check horbaga is a short option here. So the mistake that I made here is that around this time in Bank Nifty here at around 1:20 p.m. So I don't know, 1:20 p.m. Let's see where is 1:20 p.m. here. Oh, here this candle, this particular candle. First it was falling down like this. See, ahan bada di candle je full laga na kela me wasi je. Sumana kela me ba swai ba. So I thought that it was going to break this swing low. See swing low je. Sida bank nifty ki sida swaina karure, sida swing am si karure. Matang de swaina kume hai. Then it pulled back again, and once it was starting to fall down like this, I thought that this swing was going to be taken out. See je. Soina kaithagrani and khangi. Sine kaithagrani khalamina bank nifty kenragadi nifty was also going to fall. That was what I thought at that time. But bank nifty didn't break this swing low. Sigi swing low se break out the vida candle je sidagi tum swaibu kuma manga sidagi reverse tokala ka. So I should have waited for the candle to close below this swing low. This swing low je na kai sengna soina kai thara matungda sangam gadamne. So that was what the mistake that I had done for that day. So the better trade that I could have taken in Nifty was around this time. Sigi timing sida. Why around this time? Because this area had already been tested and turned into resistance again. This area se hana support oiramne sumaina sidagi resistance oirambasi kaikhalure matung swai je hold tawre si kaikhalure amu retest tawre. So but since sigi levels amkong makha da kaitharuramni na mathang lakpadadi si je support oirambasi amkamu sumaina resistance oirani. Resistance oigra matungda sigi level se sumaina kaitharure matungda si retest tawre matungda si sumaina setharak horpani. So at this time, after this candle had closed below my 20 MA. 20 MA ki makha su sida closing period 20 MA makha closing period plus C level just mana kakhalang retest tawre. So after this candle close, I could have entered my trade here. This was the better trade, and the second option was this was the first option. Even if I had missed out this location, my best second option would have been here. Because this is the low of this day. Ayukta maintain toramba balance lo initial balance ki ahanba ayuki day low ne si level of green line mark. This is the day low for this day. Then this day low was taken out around this time, around 1:55 PM. So they taken out already. This is the pullback, and once it starts to fall below here, I could have entered my trade here. So this is the second option that I could have taken in this day. But unfortunately, since I missed out of it, these are the important points that I could learn from this day. So I lost around, both my trades were stop loss were hit. Ahanbagi sigi trade issues the stop loss hit tawre, and my second trade stop loss was also hit again. But I couldn't enter in this trade again because I was busy in some other work. So on this day, I lost around. I lost around 7,300. Actually, I lost around 4,700. I don't know why they deducted 7,600. Maybe because of some other reasons. So, that's all for this day.